Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So I got some great news. The JMA Racing Grill for the Fusion and the new grill for the Tahoe are both back from paint and they look absolutely beautiful. So I got the grills right here, and as you can see the Tahoe grill barely fits already. And for the JMA Racing Grill, I went a color match route, and my car is painted in a platinum tri-coat metallic, I think is the name of it. And it looks just like a normal shade of white, but once I actually get some light on it, and I'm very much hoping that the camera will pick it up, but you can get some pearl flakes in the paint and it looks absolutely beautiful. Makes the paint look a lot more immersive, and it's just that really nice touch that helps it pop. And then we did something similar with the Tahoe grill, as you can see right here with the light. It's actually tying into the Fusion, but let me go ahead and unload these so I can give you guys a better perspective, because this camera is really not doing either of these grills justice. So currently on the car I have this really cool carbon fiber grill, and it has these slats. I don't really know what you'd call these things, but it basically follows the body line because it goes from here all the way up and all the way down to the lower grill. But nonetheless, this grill, it's actually on the box that it came in. It's gonna be a pretty drastic difference from it, specifically because it's gonna be entirely opened and it's color matched, so it'll kind of, blend the lines a little bit more. As you can see here, the paint looks absolutely gorgeous. Main thing being it's not daytime outside, so you can't actually get the full extent of it. But when I install it, you'll be able to see a lot more of the colors pop. And don't worry, it's not touching. I'm just putting it here for perspective to show you guys. But as you guys saw in the last video, this grill actually comes with a little bit of a matte finish to it. But I do kind of want to go a little bit more immersive, especially with the new headlights. And so once you get some light on this, it's a beautiful color. Now the funny thing about this is actually the same color as my wheels. It's just that they're wheels and they'll get dirty very easily, so you can't always tell, and I'm not really this up close or getting light on them. Now this specific paint, I very much have our friend at the paint shop to thank, because whenever he painted my Fusion wheels, he actually suggested it, because I was just going for a gloss black and he really wanted to use this paint. He was showing it to me, and he basically wanted to get my opinion if I liked it, and basically, I figure if it's something he wants to do, then he probably knows a lot more than I do. And as you can see, this is one of the most beautiful colors of paint in my opinion. I would love to get as many pieces as I could painted this color, but it's not necessarily always feasible. But this will be a really nice addition to the Tahoe, because the Tahoe has that metallic color as well. So it'll just all tie in really well together, and I'm very excited. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a little update, because getting parts back from paint is one of my favorite things. So I wanted to share that with you guys. And I think I'll be doing the Fusion grill tomorrow and the Tahoe grill probably shortly after that. Nonetheless, I'll update you guys as I go, and obviously I'll film the whole thing. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.